Picture this. You walk into a dealership convinced that buying a Toyota is the only smart choice for reliability. After all, that's what everyone's been saying for decades, right? But what if I revealed something that would completely shatter that assumption? What if the automotive landscape has fundamentally shifted and Toyota's legendary dependability crown is no longer sitting as securely as you might think? Here's the reality that's going to blow your mind. Right now, at this very moment, there are 4 exceptional car manufacturers building vehicles that aren't just matching Toyota's reliability standards, they're actually surpassing them in ways that will make you rethink everything you thought you knew. About dependable transportation, I'm not talking about obscure brands or unreliable newcomers. These are established automakers that have methodically refined their engineering processes, elevated their build quality standards, and slashed long-term ownership costs. All while, Toyota has been stumbling with recent redesigns and complex new technologies. By the time we reach the conclusion of this video, you'll understand exactly why Toyota's seemingly unshakable reputation is facing its most serious challenge in decades. But before we dive in, I need you to do something crucial right now. If you're serious about making informed decisions when purchasing your next vehicle, then subscribing to this channel isn't just recommended, it's essential. We dig into real-world data, analyze actual owner experiences, and deliver the unfiltered truth that could potentially save you thousands of dollars and countless headaches. Hit that subscribe button right now and smash that notification bell so you never miss our game-changing videos. Also, take 2 seconds to hit that like button. It genuinely helps our channel reach more people who need this information. Alright, let's get into the revelation that's going to change how you shop for cars. Brand 1. Honda, the Bust. Engineer's secret weapon. Let's kick things off with a brand that's been quietly perfecting its craft while others chase flashy technology. Honda. If Toyota has traditionally been the safe choice for reliability-conscious buyers, then Honda has always been the engineer's choice, and there's a monumental difference between those two designations. Honda's legendary VTEC engines have cultivated an almost cult-like following, with countless examples routinely surpassing 200,000 miles with nothing more than basic preventative maintenance. Here's where things get really interesting. According to comprehensive data from RepairPal analyzing millions of actual repair invoices, Honda owners spend an average of just $428 annually on unscheduled repairs and maintenance. Compare that to the industry average of $652, and you're looking at substantial savings that compound dramatically over the lifetime of vehicle ownership. Even more impressive, the average Honda only visits a repair shop, approximately 0.3 times per year for unscheduled work. That's 25% less frequently than the industry standard. The 2024 and 2025 Honda Civic have received strong reliability predictions from Consumer Reports, with the 2025 model expected to have about average reliability. The 2024 and 2025 Honda CR-V are predicted to be more reliable than the average new car. These recent Honda models consistently outperform Toyota's Corolla in transmission durability and engine longevity across multiple independent studies. IC Cars analyzed over 12 million vehicles and determined that the Honda Civic ranks number 1 out of 37 inches, the most reliable small cars category. That's not marketing hyperbole, that's data-driven reality based on vehicles that have proven their durability in real-world conditions. Here's something automotive technicians know that most consumers don't. Mechanics absolutely love working on Hondas. Everything is designed with logical accessibility in mind. Parts are readily available at competitive prices nationwide, and most routine maintenance procedures can be completed without dismantling half the engine bay, something that definitely cannot be said about certain newer Toyota models with their increasingly complex hybrid systems. Honda's genius extends beyond individual components to their broader engineering philosophy. They've prioritized parts interchangeability across multiple model years, making repairs faster, more affordable, and dramatically simpler. Whether your vehicle rolls off the assembly line in Ohio, Japan, or Thailand, Honda enforces identical torque specifications, utilizes the same component suppliers, and implements uniform testing standards. This explains why a 2010 Civic and a 2025 Civic share remarkably similar mechanical characteristics. Brand 2. Mazda, the underestimated overachiever. Next up, we have a manufacturer that has undergone one of the most remarkable transformations in modern automotive history, Mazda. For years, Mazda was known for producing vehicles that were genuinely fun to drive, but perhaps not quite bulletproof in terms of reliability. Well, let me tell you that perception is now completely outdated. Over the past decade, Mazda has systematically reinvented itself through simplified engineering principles, rigorous factory testing protocols, and a deliberate reduction in unnecessary electronic complexity. According to RepairPal's comprehensive database, Mazda receives a reliability score of 4 out of 5, ranking it 5th out of 32 car brands, an impressive achievement that places it ahead of numerous mainstream competitors. Let's talk about specific Mazda models. The Mazda CX-5 holds a reliability rating of 4.5 out of 5, which ranks it first out of 26 for midsize SUVs. The average annual repair cost for the CX-5 is $447, which means it has excellent ownership costs. According to J.D. Power, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 has a quality and reliability score of 82 out of 100, placing it in the great performer category. The current generation CX-5, which has been around since 2017, has only had 4 recalls, an exceptional track record. Mazda's secret formula is brilliantly straightforward. They avoid over-engineering. Their Skyactiv engines and transmissions are meticulously designed for efficiency and durability rather than unnecessary complexity. Since most Mazda models don't rely on turbochargers or exotic hybrid configurations, there are simply fewer components that can potentially malfunction. If you pit a 2024 or 2025 Mazda CX-5 against a Toyota RAV4, the RAV4 might carry more name recognition, but numerous owners report that the CX-5 operates more quietly, exhibits superior build quality, and rarely experiences the software glitches or CVT-related issues that have plagued Toyota's newer hybrid powertrains. The probability of a repair being severe or major is only 8% for the Mazda CX-5, compared to an average of 13% for midsize SUVs. Mazda CX-5 owners bring their vehicles into a repair shop for unscheduled repairs an average of 0.3 times per year, compared to an average of 0.4 times for midsize SUVs. Where Mazda truly distinguishes itself is interior quality and manufacturing precision. The fit and finish inside a 2024 or 2025 Mazda frequently rivals luxury vehicles costing tens of thousands more. Their manufacturing facilities in Hiroshima and Hofu maintain some of the lowest defect rates in the entire automotive industry. Mazda's refusal to chase trendy features like oversized touchscreens or digital-only interfaces means substantially fewer electronic headaches years into ownership. If you desire Toyota-level dependability wrapped in something that actually feels premium to drive, the 2024 to 2025 Mazda lineup absolutely deserves serious consideration. Brand 3. Lexus, Toyota's superior sibling. Now we arrive at our third brand, and I know what you're thinking. Wait, Lexus is Toyota? Technically, you're right. But here's the critical distinction most consumers miss. Lexus operates as a separate brand with its own design philosophy, dedicated assembly lines, and significantly more stringent quality standards. Trust me, this makes an enormous difference in real-world reliability outcomes. Lexus takes Toyota's proven mechanical architecture and reconstructs it with tighter manufacturing tolerances, premium-grade materials, and substantially more rigorous testing protocols. In J.D. Power's comprehensive vehicle dependability study, the Lexus RX scores 133 problems per 100 vehicles, surpassing the industry average. The Lexus ES has been ranked first in midsize premium cars for both 2024 and 2025, while the Lexus RX is expected to rise to first in midsize premium SUVs for 2025. These aren't marginal improvements, these represent significant leadership in their respective segments. Consumer Reports expects the 2025 RX will have about average reliability when compared to the average new car, based on data from 2023 and 2024 models. While average might not sound impressive, remember that this is a completely redesigned luxury vehicle with advanced technology, typically a recipe for reliability issues. The fact that Lexus maintains average or better reliability, even through major redesigns, speaks volumes about their engineering discipline. Despite being classified as a luxury brand with premium features, Lexus repair costs remain surprisingly reasonable compared to German luxury competitors like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, or Audi. According to data, Lexus owners spend an average of $551 annually on repairs, with only 8% of Lexus repairs considered severe, compared to 12% industry-wide. The secret lies in Lexus's obsessive Takumi craftsmanship philosophy, a Japanese concept representing an uncompromising commitment to excellence. Every Lexus engine undergoes hand inspection by trained specialists, and critical components are manufactured under a zero-defect philosophy. Even paint application processes utilize advanced robotic scanners capable of detecting microscopic imperfections invisible to the human eye. Here's the hidden advantage. Lexus service departments frequently share Toyota's extensive supply chains, meaning parts pricing and repair turnaround times are often nearly identical to mainstream Toyota vehicles. You're essentially acquiring a meticulously handcrafted luxury car with mainstream-level maintenance expenses, a combination that has kept Lexus at the absolute top of dependability charts for nearly 2 decades straight. Brand 4. Subaru. The reliability revolution. Finally, we arrive at the brand that has shocked the automotive industry and dethroned Toyota from its seemingly permanent position at the reliability summit, Subaru. This isn't speculation or marketing hype, this is documented reality based on the most comprehensive automotive reliability survey in existence. Consumer Reports' 2025 Auto Reliability Survey, which analyzed data from over 300,000 vehicles, spanning model years 2000 through 2025, definitively crowned Subaru as the most reliable automotive brand in America. Subaru achieved an average reliability score of 68 out of 100, surpassing Lexus, 65, and Toyota, 62, for the first time in recent history. Let that sink in for a moment. The brand that everyone assumed would perpetually hold the reliability crown just got comprehensively beaten by a manufacturer that quietly built a cult following among drivers who value real-world durability over flashy marketing campaigns. The 2025 Subaru Forester received a top 5 fifth score in predicted reliability from Consumer Reports, with the report noting that the newly redesigned 6th-generation Forester continues as a top reliability pick. The 2024 Subaru Forester earned a rating of 84 out of 100 inches J.D. Power's quality and reliability study, placing it firmly in the great category, competitive with the Honda CR-V, which earned an identical score. Subaru's engineering philosophy revolves around one fundamental principle: symmetry equals stability. Their symmetrical all-wheel drive system is widely recognized as one of the most robust drivetrains available on the market today. In fact, it's so effective that Toyota actually partnered with Subaru to incorporate a version of this system into certain Toyota models, the ultimate acknowledgement of Subaru's engineering superiority. Subaru deliberately avoids unnecessary complexity throughout their vehicle lineup. Their engines still utilize boxer designs, meaning they sit lower in the chassis for optimal balance and weight distribution. With proven reliability refined through decades of real-world testing, most Subaru models are assembled either in Japan or at their Indiana facility under extraordinarily strict quality control measures, and owners routinely report exceeding 200,000 miles on original engines without major mechanical intervention. Subaru proudly notes that 96% of all Subaru Foresters sold in the last 10 years are still on the road today, a testament to the brand's exceptional longevity. According to RepairPal, the average annual repair cost for Subaru owners is $617, and the average Subaru only requires unscheduled shop visits approximately 0.3 times per year, 25% less frequently than the industry average. What's particularly fascinating is Subaru's customer loyalty index. Approximately 70% of Subaru buyers choose to stay with the brand for their next vehicle purchase, one of the highest retention rates in the entire automotive industry. That's not clever advertising, that's mechanical trust earned through years of reliable performance. Stephen Ellick, who oversees auto data analytics at Consumer Reports, explains Subaru's success perfectly. Subaru's cars share many reliable components. This commonality means that when Subaru redesigns a vehicle, it can make fewer incremental changes by carrying over dependable systems. This reduces the risk of new problems emerging. While Toyota has been aggressively redesigning nearly every vehicle in their lineup with complex new powertrains, advanced hybrid systems, and unproven technology. Subaru has maintained their conservative, evolution over revolution approach, and the reliability data proves that strategy is working brilliantly. Why Toyota stumbled? So, what happened to Toyota? How did the seemingly invincible reliability champion lose its crown? The answer is straightforward but revealing. Toyota has undertaken one of the most ambitious vehicle redesign campaigns in automotive history, introducing all new architectures, turbocharged engines, complex hybrid systems, and sophisticated technology across nearly their entire lineup. While innovation is admirable, it introduces risk, and that risk has manifested in measurable reliability issues. The redesigned 2024 Toyota Tacoma received a below-average reliability prediction from Consumer Reports. The Toyota Tundra has been plagued with problems since its 2022 redesign, including a costly engine replacement program affecting over 100,000 vehicles. The all-electric Toyota BZ4X suffered from serious issues that resulted in a complete stop sale shortly after launch. Consumer Reports noted that Toyota's overall score was negatively impacted by below-average ratings for the Tacoma, Tundra, and BZ4X. These aren't minor vehicles, these are core models that significantly influence the brand's overall reliability perception. Meanwhile, the four brands we've discussed today took a different approach. They focused on evolutionary improvements rather than revolutionary changes. They prioritized proven components over cutting-edge technology. They valued simplicity and durability over complexity and features. Here's the absolute bottom line. Toyota still manufactures excellent vehicles, but the brand is no longer untouchable. The era of blindly recommending Toyota as the only reliable choice is officially over. Honda, Mazda, Lexus, and especially Subaru have definitively proven that exceptional reliability doesn't require sacrificing driving, enjoyment, interior quality, or technological features. Smart engineering, when executed properly, can outlast even the most hyped reputation in the industry. If you're shopping for a vehicle right now, don't simply chase the badge. Don't rely on outdated assumptions. Look deeper into the actual data, examine real owner experiences, and consider these four manufacturers that have been quietly perfecting their craft while others rested on their laurels. Now, I want to hear from you. This is where our community becomes incredibly valuable. Drop a comment below sharing your personal experiences with any of the vehicles or brands we discussed today. Have you owned a 2024 or 2025 Honda Civic that's proving incredibly reliable? Did your 2024 Mazda CX-5 prove more dependable than expected? Is your 2025 Subaru Forester exceeding expectations? Or maybe you've experienced the luxury, reliability of a 2024 to 2025 Lexus RX or ES firsthand? Your real-world experiences help everyone in our community make better, more informed decisions. We're building something special here, a place where genuine automotive truth matters more than marketing narratives. Every comment, every shared experience, every piece of advice strengthens this community and helps fellow car shoppers avoid expensive mistakes. If you found this video valuable, please smash that like button right now. It helps our channel grow and reach more people who desperately need this information before making one of the biggest financial decisions of their lives. And if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our future videos covering everything from detailed reliability comparisons to money-saving buying strategies to maintenance tips that extend your vehicle's lifespan. Thank you so much for watching this video all the way through. Your time is valuable, and I genuinely appreciate you spending it here with us. Until next time, drive safe, stay smart, and remember, the most reliable vehicle isn't always the one with the biggest reputation. Sometimes it's the one that's been quietly earning trust through engineering excellence and real-world performance. I'll see you in the next video.